Wabi-Sabi and volcanic stone, inside a peaceful Bali sanctuary. In a world obsessed with flawless surfaces, symmetry, and constant novelty, true luxury is quietly shifting its gaze. Modern life has become loud and polished to a fault, leaving many of us longing for spaces that feel grounded, permanent, and deeply human. Enter the philosophy of Wabi-Sabi, an ancient Japanese aesthetic centered on accepting transience and finding beauty in imperfection, simplicity, and age. When this centuries-old reverence for the natural world meets the volcanic origins of Bali, an extraordinary architectural synthesis takes place. Here, luxury is not measured by pristine marble or gilded accents. It is found in the cool, tactile roughness of hand-chiseled basalt, the weathered patina of reclaimed timber, and the quiet shadow play across a lime-washed wall. Welcome to the ultimate Bali sanctuary, a home built to help you slow down, breathe, and age gracefully alongside nature. Segment 2: The Earth's Spine, Basalt and Volcanic Stone. Bali is an island born of fire, shaped over millennia by volcanic activity. In this sanctuary, volcanic stone is not merely a decorative cladding. It serves as the structural and emotional spine of the home. Black basalt and porous para stone are harvested locally and cut into heavy, architectural blocks. These stones retain the Earth's natural coolness during hot tropical afternoons, creating a microclimate inside the home that reduces the need for artificial cooling. Look closely at the surface of these stone walls. No two blocks are identical. The subtle variations in grain, tone, and porous texture catch the shifting tropical sunlight throughout the day. It grounds the architecture, giving the residence an immovable, timeless quality, as if it was not constructed, but rather carved directly out of the earth itself. Segment 3: The Sanctuary Layout and Shadow Play. In Wabi-Sabi architecture, light is never harsh or blinding. It is carefully filtered, softened, and appreciated through the presence of shadow. Deep roof eaves extend far beyond the glass line, shielding the living spaces from direct glare while casting long, serene shadows across the stone floors. Slatted teak louvers line the corridors, breaking the incoming sunlight into gentle, rhythmic ribbons that move slowly across the room as the hours pass. The layout prioritizes privacy and internal contemplation. Instead of facing outward toward bustling streets, the sanctuary wraps around quiet inner courtyards. Every hallway leads your eye toward a single focal point: a solitary moss-covered boulder, an ancient bonsai tree, or a simple stone basin catching rainwater. Segment 4. Weathered timber and raw tactility. To balance the dark, heavy weight of volcanic stone, the sanctuary incorporates raw, weathered timber, specifically reclaimed ironwood and untreated teak. In traditional modern design, wood is often sanded smooth and covered in thick, glossy lacquers. Wabi-Sabi demands the exact opposite. Here, the wood retains its natural cracks, knots, and weather-worn grain. Every line on a dining table or structural beam tells a story of decades past. Paired with raw linen fabrics in muted charcoal, warm stone, and ash gray, the interior invites touch. The tactile contrast between smooth ivory microcement floors, rough basalt walls, and warm, unpolished wood creates a sensory experience that instantly calms an overstimulated mind. Segment 5. Water, moss, and acoustic stillness. Water in a wabi-sabi home is never loud or turbulent. It does not cascade in artificial waterfalls. It flows with subtle, rhythmic restraint. Central reflection pools are lined with unpolished dark slate, giving the water a mirror-like depth that reflects the sky and jungle canopy above. Small, hand-carved stone basins sit quietly in private gardens, fed by a single bamboo spout that emits a steady, rhythmic drop. Over time, moisture from these water features allows soft green moss to cling naturally to the volcanic stone walls. In wabi-sabi, this is not seen as wear or neglect. It is celebrated as sabi, the gentle, beautiful mark of time passing in harmony with nature. Segment 6. Designing your private haven. Building a home centered around wabi-sabi principles is ultimately an act of emotional restoration. It is an investment in a sanctuary where you can escape the frantic pace of modern life and return to what is essential. From a luxury real estate perspective, properties that embody authentic natural materials, high-end stone masonry, and quiet architecture are becoming the most sought-after assets globally. High-net-worth buyers are increasingly seeking homes that offer wellness, privacy, and timeless permanence over fleeting design trends. As twilight falls over this Bali sanctuary, warm hidden LED strips illuminate the rough textures of the volcanic stone, and the house settles into complete acoustic stillness. It stands as a testament to the power of simple materials, thoughtful shadows, and the quiet beauty of an unhurried life. Thank you for exploring this Wabi-Sabi sanctuary with us. If this approach to peaceful living inspires you, please subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, find peace in the simple and the authentic.